heading, let me explain. One by one, you people are entering beta. How will I teach like this? Competitive release, the next heading. Quickly. Competitive release. Written? At
Yes,
least say
ma'am.
yes or no, dear. How will I get to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very slowly, yes is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me quickly. Now I'll give you an example of a competitive release and you will tell me what is competitive release. 10th is sitting alone, there is no teacher in the class. Fine. Are you listening? Tell me what is competitive release after I give an example. 10th is sitting alone, there is no teacher in the class. After a few minutes, there is no teacher in 10th B also. What will happen? Tell me. Tell me what will happen now. And you know that you have friends in all sections. Tell me quickly what will happen.
The class will go
What
wild.
happen? The class will go wild within the four walls of the class, or they will go out also to meet the other friends in the other section.
They'll go
Maybe.
out
Out
also.
Will go out.
Some of them will come out in the corridors or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of them will go to other sections or not. Will they spread out or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
not had your food, yes, they'll spread out. In what condition they spread out? Because the teacher was not there. That means the superior species was missing. What was missing? What was missing? I don't know how many of you feel teachers are superior, but I'm still giving an example. Teachers, I'm relating it to superior species. Superior species was missing. Then what happened? What happened then? Which species spread out?
Inferior species spread out.
Inferior species spread out. What is this called? Competitive release. Release क्या होता है? जेल में बंद है एकदम छोड़ दो, सब भागेंगे इधर उधर. This is what we call as release. Got my point? So, can
Yes,
anybody
ma'am.
tell me what am I hinting
Yes,
at?
sir.
What am I hinting at? Tell me very quickly. What am I hinting at? Tell me quickly, beta. जल्दी बताइए. Very quick.
In the absence of superior species, inferior species spread out.
And yes, beta. In the absence of which species? Tell me very quickly.
Superior.
Acha. Now, if I say this, that a species is restricted to a smaller geographical area. So that geographical area was your class when there is no teacher. Sorry, when there is a teacher, you are restricted to your classroom or not?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Area. Because of the absence of its species?
Superior species.
Because of the absence of a superior species, what happens? They expand what? They expand their distribution range. When who is removed? Who is removed?
superior
Who
species.
is removed? Superior species or inferior species?
Superior.
When superior species are removed.
Who is removed, beta? Do we have some network issues? Yes. Now I'll speak once and let me see if you have understood. Listen carefully. A species whose distribution is restricted to a smaller geographical area. First, the students were restricted to a small classroom. So I'm relating it to this. Listen to the definition. A species whose, tell me very quickly, whose distribution was restricted to what area?
Specific area.
Small area or large area?
Small
area.
Smaller geographical area. What happens to that species? They expand. They expand when what is not present?
Superior species. When superior species is not present.
Species is absent. Let me give you an example of carnivores, herbivores and plants. Tell me quickly. Relate this to herbivores, carnivores and green plants. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let me see who can give me this explanation. Give me the example of a competitive release from green plants, herbivores and carnivores. Yes, beta ji. Can you give me an example? Tell me very quickly. What will happen if I remove all the herbivores?
Then green plants will spread out.
Yes, green plants will spread out. Which was the superior species?
Herbivores.
Very good. And let me say, if I remove all the carnivores, then what is going to happen, beta?
Herbivores are going to spread.
Herbivores will
Herbivores
increase.
will
are going to
Herbivores
spread.
will
Plants will
increase.
decrease.
So a species whose distribution was restricted to a smaller geographical area expand their distribution in the absence of its species. Jaldi bataiye.
Superior species.
Superior species. What is this called as?
Ma'am, please repeat the
Competitive release.
This is called competitive release. And if in case there's a question which comes, give an example of a competitive release. What example will you give?
Green plants, herbivores, and carnivores.
Excellent. Everybody is okay with this topic? Should I move on to the next topic? Or you want me to do it once again with you? बेटा हाँ ना yes no कुछ तो बोलिए.
Ma'am, move to the next.
Huh? Should I ask you one by one, then it will come. Okay, competitive release. Now in your notebooks, please write down the next topic. Gauge's competitive exclusion principle. Please write down the spelling. G-A-U-G-E. This is the name of a person, a scientist. Gauge. G-A-U-G-E. Gauge competitive exclusion principle. Gauge competitive exclusion principle. Should I give you an example and you will tell me what does it mean? Let's talk about a competition where there is only one trophy. Yes? Adi, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In online classes. Why are you responding? Bol beta. I'm giving you an example. Okay. This is Divya ma'am's exclusion principle, not Gauge's principle. I'm giving you an example. Supposing there is only one trophy and Anshika and who is fighting? Soni Sharma. Soni, are you ready? Soni Sharma, are you ready for the competition with Anshika or not? She's not even ready to come in. Soni, bolo beta, are you ready for a competition with Anshika? Anshika, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika said, you are ready. Soni is not ready for a competition with me. You select another competitor. Anshika, come on. Whom do you want to compete with?
Raghav.
Who?
Raghav.
Raghav. Okay, fine. Let's have a bout. Anshika versus Raghav. And there is only one chocolate. What will happen? Both will win, one will win. Are they
One will-
closely related species? Acha, chalo, answer this. Are Raghav and Anshika closely related species? Or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
I doubt. Justify your statement that they're closely related species. I feel some of them have 4 hands, some have 2 hands, 4 eyes. Justify that they're closely related species. Both of them are which species? Anshika and Raghav. Beta, scientific name batao apna. Both of them are what species?
Homo
Anshika and
sapiens.
Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens, इसमें क्या problem है? Both of them are Homo sapiens. So there is a competition between who? Two different species or closely related species?
Closely related.
Okay, how many chocolates are there? How many burgers?
One.
Only one. Only one. So resource is limited or resource is abundant?
Limited.
The resource is limited. Resource chocolate, burger. Limited. What's it? How many? Beta, it is limited, na? I told you only one chocolate is there. How many are there? One or many?
One.
One.
Beta, if there are many, then there is no point of having a competition. there is only one chocolate and there's a competition between Anshika and Raghav, what will happen finally? One will get, what will happen to the other one? Gradually, jaldi batao kya hoega?
Inferior one will get eliminated.
Yes, inferior one will get eliminated. I will ask a question from them. Elimination round. The one who will not answer will get eliminated. Raghav and Anshika, are you ready for my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Let me see who gets eliminated. Anshika, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika, Raghav, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the dreaded criminal which is being brought from Punjab to UP. Let me see who gets eliminated today. Name the criminal who is being brought to UP jail from Punjab. 3 days, every day on every channel we have this news. Chalo jaldi bataiye. Let me see who gets eliminated.
Mukhtar Ansari.
Oh God. Who answered? Raghav.
I
Who is this I?
Ayush.
Ayush. But Ayush, you were not there in the competition.
Sorry
He
मैम
has-
ये आता था इसलिए बता दिया.
नहीं अच्छी बात है.
Ma'am,
आपने तो
Mukhtar Ansari.
अब नहीं Anshika, now तो you are excluded from the competition. Raghav is also out. So who is the winner? Who is the
Ayush.
winner?
The third
Ayush. What
person.
third person? Never mind. What did Ayush do? The resource was limited. Okay, the resource was limited. बेटा लिमिटेड का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? What does the word limited mean? Come. When something is in a less amount, we say it is limited. And abundant means बहुत सारा. So whenever the resources are limited and there are two species going for the competition, ultimately what will happen to the other one? The inferior one will get what? What will
Eliminated.
happen? Eliminated. Like Anshika, and who got eliminated here?
Me.
You. What is this principle called as? Abhi, I told you. Whose principle is this? Competitive exclusion principle. Name the scientist.
Competitive exclusion.
Gauge. Gauge. What was the name of the scientist?
Gauge.
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 ये कॉम्पिटिटिव एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल मतलब अगर कंपटीशन होगा तो कोई ना कोई एक्सक्लूड जरूर होगा. Who said this? What subject is this?
Gauge.
Social appetite. Social 3 का हिमांशी will take. आप वही बनाओ. आप सोशल हटा के बनाओ. आप बस SST रिमूव कर दो दोनों सेक्शंस. आप बताओ और ये वाले ऐड करो the ones I have told you. हाँ जी बेटा, Gauge's exclusion principle everybody get understood?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अब अच्छा ये बताइए लड़ाई फायदा. Is there any advantage? लड़ाई झगड़ा advantage?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Raghav. हाँ बेटा, I'm in school now, so थोड़ा बहुत तो this problem will be always there. Asha, tell me, is there any benefit in fighting, or should we share the chocolate? Ayush, would you like to share it with Raghav? Ayush, am I audible?
अब मैम अभी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Raghav,
ma'am, now you are
Anshika,
audible.
am I audible, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And lead to the exclusion of one another. What should we do? Sharing?
We should share.
Sharing?
Yes, ma'am. Sharing.
Sharing. Yes, ma'am.
So these animals are also very smart. They do the same thing. Chalo chodo, jagda nahi karna hai. Let us not go for exclusion. Let us divide the resources. So the next heading is resource partitioning. Please put on the heading, resource partitioning. Hurry up, hurry up. Resource partitioning. This is a very
Ma'am,
important
please
topic.
allow. Ma'am, please allow Soni. She's in the waiting list.
Sony. Okay, I am not able to see her. Sony, where is she?
Ma'am, she got disconnected again.
But it's not showing how to take her in. I'm not able to see her in the waiting room. I'm not able to see her, beta. Chalo, I'll see what can be done. Resource partitioning. Done? Have you put the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, now listen very carefully. Resource partitioning is smart children. लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना है. Let us do sharing. देखो, what do animals do? अच्छा चलो देखते हैं. How many of you have presence of mind? Mukhtar Ansari, ready? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready or not?
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
चलो अच्छा एक बात बताओ. Supposing there are two different types of
Ma'am, your
English
voice is
students
not clear.
offline only.
Yes, ma'am. My voice is not clear.
Ma'am, voice is not clear.
You people also. Whenever I बेटा
क्लास आवाज आ रही है बेटा अभी?
Sir,
morning,
अभी
sir.
आई बस.
Good morning,
आपकी आ रही
sir.
है,
Morning,
बट
sir.
Good morning class. How are you?
Sir, good. Sir, good.
अरे
अरे
सर,
भाई,
चश्मे में अच्छे लग रहे हो.
अरे खराब कब लगे थे बेटा?
Morning, sir.
तुमने बेटा तुमने तो कभी हमें देखा ही नहीं, तो हम क्या करें फिर ऐसे?
सर,
अरे
आपने
सर,
हमारे
देखा नहीं होता
सामने
तो
चश्मा
पहचानते
लगाया ही
कैसे?
नहीं.
सर, देखा नहीं होता पहचानते कैसे फिर?
अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछते समय आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
बेटा आप लोगों को आवाज मेरी नहीं आ रही थी बिल्कुल, ना ही मैं दिखाई दे रही थी. क्यों?
मैम जस्ट अभी आई.
मैम अभी आई मैम.
इससे
आपकी
पहले
नहीं आ रही थी.
बिल्कुल मैम.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
when you
Yes,
say
As soon as
seriously नहीं आ रही.
as soon as Kamlesh sir comes, आवाज भी आ जाती है एंड सब सुनाई भी देता है, राइट? कमलेश सर का चश्मा इतने अच्छे से दिखाई दे गया सबको, एंड ही इज लुकिंग वेरी हैंडसम, ये भी दिखाई दे गया. अब अगर किसी ने बोला ना आवाज नहीं आ रही, देन यू वेट एंड सी. रेडी फॉर द चैलेंज?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when you said suppose there are two, then your voice was lagging.
Now though it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो. There is a competition. I have 3 students of class 10 sitting with me in the school offline. Let's have a competition between these 3 children and you. I'm asking a very simple general awareness logic question. Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
This is related to the topic, so it is going to be easier for you people because you know the topic that I'm teaching. It's difficult for class 10 students. Ab suno dhyan se. There is a big tree, big tree. Clear? Fine. There's a big tree.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there are 2 different categories of animals who feed on the same tree. Same patte khayenge wo log. I mean, they want to eat the leaves of the same tree. Okay? Species A and species B. Fine. But they don't want to fight also. They don't want to go for exclusion. मिलजुल के काम करेंगे. How can they do? Tell me. Suggest something कि लड़ाई ना हो. Same tree से खाना है, same leaves. I mean, they're going to feed on the leaves of the tree. But there are two different species, two different animals. But they don't want to fight also. Suggest something, what will they do? Class 10th is
Ma'am,
also here, 12th is also here.
they will
English
divide
also
their
is-
areas.
They will divide.
Divide areas means tree तो same है बेटा.
मैम हिस्से तो अलग कर सकते हैं, ऊपर नीचे.
हिस्से ऊपर नीचे मतलब पेड़ के. Who is this? आयुष ना?
यस मैम.
हाँ मुझे पता था. आपको नीचे नीचे का मिलेगा. आप लकड़ी लकड़ी खाना, पत्ते कोई और खाएगा.
मैम
Right?
टाइमिंग अलग रख सकते हैं, लाइक कोई एक सुबह खा रहा है, कोई शाम को.
नहीं मैम, ये टाइमिंग वाला तो अलग है मैम. वो पहले वाले सब खा के चले
क्या
गए,
बुराई
उसमें
है?
क्या
टाइमिंग
पता.
वाले में क्या बुराई? अच्छा चलो टाइमिंग वाले में क्या बुराई है और ये बताओ.
मैम अगर जो पहले स्लॉट में आ रहे हैं वो सब खा के चले गए, दूसरे वालों को कुछ नहीं छोड़ा, तो वो भी तो दिक्कत है.
अब
पूरा
बेटा
पेड़
ये
खा जाएंगे.
इतना थोड़ी खा लेंगे कि सुबह आएंगे तो पूरा पेड़ ही थोड़ी खा जाएंगे. पूरा पेड़ थोड़ी खा जाएंगे कि जो पहले आएगा वो पूरा पेड़ ही खा जाएगा, दूसरे के लिए कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं. ही इज नॉट लाइक यू ना, सब खा के छुट्टी. नॉट सेविंग एनीथिंग फॉर अदर्स. आयुष राइट?
इतनी
मान्या
राइट नहीं
आयुष
होती उसकी आयुष.
क्या
Yes, ma'am, I agree with that time wala point.
यू अग्री विद विच पॉइंट? नीचे ऊपर वाला या टाइम वाला?
Ma'am, time wala.
Yes,
Time
ma'am. I
वाला.
also agree with the time wala point.
आयुष के आइडिया से कौन एग्री करता है कि नीचे वाला मतलब नीचे नीचे मैं खा लूंगा, ऊपर तुम खा लेना? How
नहीं
many of you
मैम,
agree?
मेरा मतलब था कि डिवाइड कर ले, मतलब लीव्स को.
लीव्स को पहले
तुम
तोड़
खा
के
लो,
फिर
हम
बांट
खा
ले.
लें.
अकड़
नहीं
बकड़
मैम,
रब दे.
पेड़ का
One you
हिस्सा
take, one
बांट
I
ले.
will. Right?
मैम पेड़ का हिस्सा बांट ले, मेरा मतलब है.
पेड़ का हिस्सा बांट ले. वाओ वेरी नाइस. अच्छा वेरी गुड. पेड़ का
इस
हिस्सा
पोर्शन में आप
बांट ले.
खाओ, इस पोर्शन में हम खाते हैं.
ठीक है, इस पोर्शन में आप खाइए, इस पोर्शन में हम खाते हैं. एक्सीलेंट माय चिल्ड्रन. नाउ क्लास 10 एनी सजेशंस? झगड़ा नहीं हो. Come on, there is a competition with your seniors. If you have any suggestions, I've already had 2 suggestions from 10th. They can carry on. Vegetative propagation. Oh my God. बेटा उनको खाना खाना है, वो किसान नहीं है कि first they will take vegetative plant, then they will grow those parts, and then the parts will grow, and then they'll eat. 10th is giving a suggestion that they can go for vegetative propagation. Do you agree? Yes or no? अगेन आवाज चला गया होगा ना बेटा, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है.
नहीं मैम, ऐसा नहीं है. नो.
अच्छा चलो, मुझे लगा आवाज चले. ऐसे भी 3-4 दिन से हम लोग मिले नहीं है तो आवाज चली ही जाती है मेरी. बेटा I've got what I was expecting. Excellent my children, wonderful. Resource partitioning, I've got the answers correct. The word itself tells you resource partition. What does the word partition mean? To divide. What does the word partition mean?
To divide.
Divide.
To divide.
And the heading was resource partitioning. Means we will divide our resources mutually, peacefully, so that there is no conflict and there is no exclusion. Both the answers which came to you were absolutely right. They can decide the different timings of feedings. कि आप सुबह खा लो, हम शाम को खा लेंगे, but आयु सब कुछ सुबह खत्म नहीं करके जाना, right? And the second suggestion which came was perfectly right, that they can distribute the different parts. Like the higher area leaves can be eaten by somebody else and the lower ones can be eaten by someone else. What was this topic? What is the name of the topic?
Resource partitioning.
Okay, resource partitioning. Very quickly. Now please write down a name. MacArthur. Write down the name of the scientist. Mac. MAC. Hindi movie villains you've seen, na? Mac. Right? MacArthur. ARTHUR. Manya, are you there? Manya, new admission. Beta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of the scientist that I've just told? Beta, this is very important now. There were 5 different species of warblers. Okay. Listen very carefully. 5 different species of warblers. Write down the spelling. WARBLERS. Warblers. Written? They were living on the same tree. How many species of warblers were living on the same tree?
5.
So all of them survived. All 5 of them could survive. The reason was that they did resource partitioning on the basis of foliage. What does the word foliage mean in science, biology? Foliage, foliage. What is foliage?
Covering.
Anji beta?
Ma'am, covering.
Not exactly. Can anybody tell me what is foliage? Foliage means the leaves pattern. So somebody will eat वो जो बहुत छोटा छोटा fresh green leaves निकलता है, that is one pattern of foliage. एक leaf बड़ा हो गया, that is another pattern of foliage. फिर leaves dry हो गए, that is the third pattern of foliage. Leaf dry होने के बाद बेटा shed कर गया, नीचे गिर गया, that is the last pattern of foliage. So what they decided is, they decided the foliage patterns. So there was no fight. New growing leaves, small warblers could eat, or one species of warblers could eat. Bada wala leaf, somebody else is eating. Dry leaf, somebody else is eating. So they divided the foliage. So this is an example of which concept? Resource partitioning. What is this word? Tell me very quickly, bachas. Please speak out. Resource
Partition.
Resource partnering.
division. Very good. Sharing or division of the resources so that there is no conflict and there is no exclusion is what we call as resource partitioning. The best example was given by whom? Name the scientist.
MacArthur.
MacArthur. He showed that how many different species of warblers?
5 different.
5 different species of warblers living on the same tree or different tree?
Same tree.
Same tree. Very good. They could survive.
Ma'am, please give entry to Harshita.
Oh my God, I'm trying my best, but I cannot even see Harshita over here. See, ma'am, can you see Harshita anywhere? Wait, I'll try. Beta, we have some network issues. So what I generally do is I have the meeting from home. I am in the school, but I get it done from home. Chalo, just give me 1 second. Who all are there? Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. Harshita is in the waiting room.
Okay, there was one more now earlier. So now very quickly, we have done competitive exclusion. Everybody knows what is competitive exclusion? There is a competition and which species gets excluded?
Inferior.
Inferior.
Then we did competitive release. What happened in competitive release? In the absence of which species?
Superior.
Superior.
Those species. So those species which were restricted to what? Restricted to which kind of area? Bigger area or a smaller geographical area?
All geographical area.
Smaller geographical area. They spread their distribution. They spread their distribution in the absence of which species?
Superior one.
Come to you when I'm okay, very good. In the absence of the, so then we did another principle. Name the person. Dash exclusion principle. What was the name of the law? Who was the person who gave Gauge's exclusion principle? He said if the resources are limited and there is a competition, what will happen in that competition? Who will get extinct? Who will
Inferior
get
ones. Inferior
Yes.
ones get eliminated.
To save from exclusion, we have another concept that I just told you. What is the name of that concept? Which partitioning?
Resource partition.
So we share, the different species share the same resource in such a way that nobody becomes extinct. Nobody is actually excluded. We gave an example just now. There was one tree and how many species of warblers?
5
5.
species.
Can I have the spelling of warblers, children, from you? Anyone?
WARBLERS.
Very good. Did I do amensalism with you that day? Amensalism. Tell me what is amensalism? Who will tell me what is amensalism?
Ma'am, like in which one species got it got loss and another one got like कोई effect नहीं होता.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एमेंसिलिज्म, एक को फायदा हो रहा है लेकिन दूसरे को नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. नो इफेक्ट, देयर इज नो इफेक्ट ऑन द अदर स्पीशीज. व्हाट इज दिस रिलेशनशिप कॉल्ड? Amensilism. What is it called, beta?
Amensilism.
Amensilism.
If you remember, I had put signs plus, minus, plus, zero. So amensilism में क्या? What signs will you give? Tell me. Amensilism में what signs will you give?
-0.
Yes, very good,
-0.
very good. -0. So one species is getting benefited or it is at loss? It is harmed. It is getting harmed.
One is
Now, please note down one example, one or two examples of amensilism. Each one of you should know. Please write down. Bacteria Staphylococcus. Write down the name of the bacteria. Bacteria Staphylococcus. Fine. Now listen. This bacteria, it grows very fast, but we have a antibiotic which is called penicillin. Penicillin. You know about penicillin? Have you heard about penicillin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the source is penicillium. What is the source of penicillin?
Penicillium.
Penicillium. What does penicillium do? It does not allow the growth of which bacteria? I just told you the name of the bacteria. Which species? Staphylococcus. Please name the bacteria, children.
Staphylococcus.
अच्छा, किसको नुकसान हुआ? पेनिसिलियम को या स्टेफाइलोकोकस को?
Staphylococcus.
अच्छा, and what happened to penicillium? फायदा हुआ?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
What benefit? What benefit is it getting? Tell me, what benefit is it getting? कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है
It's
उसको?
able to.
Hmm?
It is able to remove the bacteria.
No, but is it getting some benefit out of this? Is it getting some nutrients or a longer life or water? Is it getting some benefit from this bacteria?
No, ma'am.
It is not getting. So what sign will you give for penicillium? Plus, minus or zero?
Minus.
Penicillium, penicillium,
0.
Zero.
0. And what sign will you give for staphylococcus?
Minus.
add Mahi.
Minus.
-0. It is minus and 0. So what is amensilism? Wait a second, Bachcha. What is amensilism?